Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make text bold italic format to regular format using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element and this is my text. This text apply bold and italic format and I will make this text regular format. Click on this edit option and now click on this text box and press Ctrl S, select whole text box. At this right sidebar, here you will find this properties option and see this bold and italic format now active and click again deactive and see this. Also click on this italic format option and see this text now regular format delivery and also click on this text box bold format showing here. Click on this bold option and deactive. Again click this all text select and see this and this text also italic format applied here and simply remove this italic format and see this in this, so you can sense all of this text is bold and italic format and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.